Hi friends, warm welcome to all. In today's quick learning, we will go through HLOOKUP with exact match using false. And this is a set of data. Data is from the Big Basket store having product ID as BB01, Big Basket 01, BB02, and so on. 25 data. Then product ID, different category for those products. Okay, unit sold, rate and sales. This is set of data. We want to find discount as per the product ID. So for that discount, we have separate data here itself. Okay, under cell number I4 and I5. Product ID, all those product ID I mentioned here, and the set of discounts for that product. And now let's move in to this formula called as HLOOKUP equal to HLOOKUP in bracket. It is similar to your VLOOKUP. It will ask you the lookup value. So lookup value will be the product ID which falls under cell number A5, column A and row 5. So lookup value is A5. We are looking this value from this data set. So we will select the data set uh, from data and not from the heading. So select this data set. We will be selecting like this, or you can select top row than the bottom row. Both will do. Now to select the entire row, Control Shift right arrow. Entire range got selected. Okay, and comma. We are looking for discount. So discount falls under 2. Why 2? This will be 1 and this will be second. So discount under 2 and looking for exact match, like it will ask you true approximate match or the false. So exact match false and close the bracket, enter. You will get the discount. If discount is in decimal, then you can convert that into percentage. Okay, but if I drag this, I'm getting error. Why? Because the range keeps on changing. Now my data set range is from J4 to H5, this one, J4 to H5. And if I move down, range changes to J5 to AH6, then range changes to J6, J7 and on. So if you want to fix this data set, for that you will select that data set range and you will do function and dollar sign. You will fix that cell as absolute and enter. And then if you want, you can pull this data down and you will be getting discount percentage for that product ID. Thank you for